Gabi. Kakain mo, ang daming ibon. What you doing, Gabi? What you doing?
Eating bird.
Giving the food? Ang daming ibon.
Man,
Ah, the bird catch it.
the bird got the light.
Bird catch it.
Some more.
Ayaw mo ba nito? Ang dali.
Come on, eat it.
Come on.
Ayaw mo? Mamaya na
One,
sa house.
two, three.
Come on.
It goes so.
There's so many here.
Ay, tayo guys.
So yummy. Makdo. Tinake out na. Take out.
Anong sauce na ito, mahal?
Masarap. Ano lang yan, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, no?
Yeah, mayonnaise.
Bigyan mo ito.
They are very fast.
There's so many baby birds.
They really do.
Magtakot ang baka lang ito.
What do you want?
Kain na. Kain na.
Kainin mo muna, Gabi. Pinicture nila yung dala ko.
They're still hungry.
Yeah.
Give them some food.
Oh, bigyan mo.
Ano katao-tao? Tao-tao.
Bigyan mo ng food.
Bigyan mo ng food.
Bigyan mo, anak.
Ah,
Naglagay ka ng ano sa kamay.
Good.
Lagyan mo si Papa, anak. Dali.
Small, small.
Small lang. Lagyan mo sa kamay.
throw it. Throw.
Parang bang mapait. Parang sasambi.
Uli. Hindi. Ano yan eh, may...
Papa.
Ang tawag dito. May ano yan, may barbecue. Tsaka may yun. Hindi pala masarap pag samahan. Why?
The bird only likes to eat
Yeah.
here.
Look.
Kain ka na,
Oh.
anak. Hindi ka nakamusog.
Bye-bye. See you later.